lumalaki na ang ulo. Ganito ba ang ibang mga tauhan mo na parang may nagbago? Naku anak, I totally get you. When you're just starting, everyone is cooperative, eager to help, and grateful for the job. But as the business grows, so does their confidence. Yun nga lang minsan, sobrang naman. That's what happened to Maricel, who runs a small house cleaning service with her husband. They started with only 3 cleaners. Everything ran smoothly back then. Pero nung lumaki na sila to a team of 12, things began to shift. One started coming in late, another complained about assignments, and one even said, "Matagal ko na pong ginagawa yan. Alam ko na kung paano." At first, Maricel felt disrespected. Pero nung huminahon na siya, na-realize niya na ang issue was not always about ego. Sometimes it was a lack of structure or communication. Kaya she and her husband made changes. Clear roles, regular meetings, and recognition for good work. They learned to correct calmly and to listen when their team raised concerns. Pero anak, let's be real. Hindi lahat ng tao nagbabago. Some really do have attitude problems. And as leaders, our job is to set boundaries. Find out who aligns with our values and let go of those who don't. Ito ang lesson, anak. Leadership is not about managing work lang. It's about managing people with wisdom and grace. Because not every problem needs patience. Some need decisions. Kaya, let's be business-minded, Pinoy.